Hello friends, welcome once again to my channel, and today I'm going to share with you all on a new technique to capture our screen or the Windows or we can say software as a screenshot, and that is not using we can say the page screen system request or Windows. It's very simple. I'll be using here one software. Its name is Snipping Tool. For that, just I am going to open it. Windows R, yes, and there you type Snipping Tool, and after that hit enter. As you press enter, we can see that this software now is running here. So this is the first way we can use the Snipping Tool. Now, second way is there. We can see a search box. Type there Snipping Tool. If you type there, then just we can say Snipping Tool being appear there. Just you press this one or click that. Now that software starts running on your that screen. So this was second method. Third method is also there. Click start menu and just scroll it down. There we can see snip and sketch. You can also use this one to open that software snipping tool, but it is large. We can see here it is large in size, so sometimes we become confused that it is same software, but I want to share with you. Obviously it is same software. You can uh, capture your that screen or the software using this one. I'm going to show you one demo here. Suppose I want to capture it. Press new. So it is asking how you want to capture it. Freeform means there is no fixed dimension. Anyhow, I just I can capture it. Next is a full screen snip. It will capture full screen. Next is here window snip. It captures the window part. Window part means from top to bottom, including taskbar. So how you want to capture it depends on us. So let's take one example. Suppose I want to capture full screen. I'm just pressing this one. So full screen captured. We can see here we have a good example here. Full screen captured. If you want to save it, you can save it by pressing this one. If you don't want, it's okay. Leave it. So in three ways you can open it. So right now I'm going to open using Windows R, and then we can see a small box here using new mode delay. Delay means after how many seconds you want to capture it. And other option we can see some that applications and the checkboxes and in color so you want to have there while capturing. So if you need it, then just check it out. If you don't need, just keep it in unchecked. Okay. Now suppose we are going to capture it. So press new. So here you can see scissor. I think you can see here is scissor. So if I press it, then it captures. We can see here it is freeform. So captured. It's very simple. So let's go for once again new. So suppose we are going to capture not freeform rectangular snip. So press it, and after that go for the selection. I'm taking one selection here. So we can see here captured. Suppose we don't need this, ignore this, and suppose check this new. Go for window snip, and just you can see a hand shape. Press enter. So captured very easily. It's very simple. Suppose you don't need this one. Once again, you can press cancel. If you don't need this, click new, and after that mode full screen snip. It captures full screen. So we can see here it has captured full screen. So once again, if you don't need, just ignore it. And if you want to capture after some delay means in next 2 seconds actually you want to capture it, just you can go for the time interval here. Like suppose I want to capture uh, window snip and the delay is up to 2 seconds. Now if I press here, then it will capture my screen after 2 seconds. Just I'm going to click here. We can see here it captures in after 2 seconds. Similarly, you can take full screen snip. Suppose if you want to take 3 seconds, take 3 seconds here. Mode window snip is okay. And after that, click new and 3 seconds is okay. And after that, press here. So it captures after 3 seconds. So this is how you can also capture it. Similarly, if you want to edit this, you can use this software Pen 3D. Here is highlighter. If you want to highlight this, you can highlight it. Here is pen. If you want to use pen, you can use there. If you want to mail, you can mail here. So it's very simple to understand here how to capture our that screen or the software, or we can say any application folders, etc. But one new technique I'm going to share with you. Without using this snipping tool, we can also capture it. We can see here Windows logo plus Shift plus S. If you want to use it, then you don't need this software, and without using this software you can capture it. I want to show you one example here. Suppose I want to capture this screen, then Windows Shift S. So we can see here, press this one, captured. And if you want to see where actually that our file is, go to this PC, go to picture, go to screenshot. So we can see here. Similarly, if you want to capture suppose this one, documents, then you can press Windows Shift and S. So actually it captured or not. Let's go to screenshot. So this is how we can also about the screenshot. Thank you guys. If you like the video, just give your like, share it, subscribe it, and just take everything positively. Be positive, stay healthy. Thank you.